According to the Russian Ministry for Civil Defense, emergencies and disaster responses, over 100,000 fires were registered in the Russian Federation in the first half of the year. They took the lives of over 8,000 people, over 30,000 buildings, and about 4,000 vehicles were destroyed by fire. Material losses amounted to nearly 4 billion rubles. On March the 10th, 2007, a large-scale fire broke out at the Volgograd refinery. The temperature in the epicenter reached 1,000 degrees Celsius, making it impossible for the rescuers to come close to or even approach the fire. The mission was accomplished by Blizzard, the unique lifter-mounted installation for combined firefighting, designed by the St. Petersburg Research and Production Association, SOPOT. Blizzard 7, Blizzard 30 and Blizzard 80 are very effective installations. They're primarily used for extinguishing oil fires. You have witnessed their performance and now you know how effective they are in fire suppression. The newly developed installations with remote firefighting capabilities allow missions to be accomplished with no threat to life of the personnel and the public. In the past few years, Blizzard installations have indeed made a breakthrough in firefighting technology. The Blizzard installation was invented by Gennady Kuprin, General Director of the Sopot company. Being the inventor, Mr. Kuprin holds 20 Russian patents and is a winner of national and international prizes. Gennady Kuprin started his firefighting career as a cadet of the firefighting department of the Military Engineering College and further graduated from the USSR Firefighting Engineering Academy. For over 30 years, when working in the MOD academies, Gennady Kuprin was engaged in the R&D activities studying fire extinguishing properties of foaming agents and foam delivery equipment to enhance the efficiency in extinguishing large-scale fires. In 1994, Kuprin succeeded in developing a brand new concept of foam structure. A combined foam flow and the duly registered and patented invention has drawn widespread interest. A decision was made to establish a company for manufacturing new types of foamers. A quickly developed stereotype demonstrated perfect performance. In practice, the radically new product and its effect were highly impressive. Sopot developed a new technology for simultaneous generation and delivery to a burning area flow and medium expansion foam produced from foam water solutions. This revolutionary approach to the foam firefighting was the outcome of extensive research and experiments conducted by Gennady Kuprin for many years. What enables Blizzard installations to properly and reliably extinguish fire at any stage of its development when conventional firefighting systems are impotent? The answer is simple. The range of Blizzard foam jet is dozens of times longer than that of the existing domestic and foreign systems. We were looking for technical means that would enhance efficiency of the standard equipment. The extensive research and development efforts resulted in a new technology of transporting and supplying low and medium range expansion foam that appeared to be a new radical breakthrough in firefighting. The idea was to use the low expansion foam that has high kinetic energy, long range and, most importantly, excellent cooling effect as a lead spray for transporting light foam, and we did it.
Мы могли бы транспортировать легкую пену, и это сделали, осуществили.
Long-term experience shows that it is medium expansion foam made from domestically produced foaming agents that has the highest fire extinguishing effect. These foams enjoy high installation characteristics. A coat created by this foam on a surface of flammable materials prevents gas and steam from getting into a burning area. As a result, the temperature drops and a chemical reaction slows down, which leads to extinguishing the fire. However, since the medium expansion foam has low kinetic energy, the spray range is short, 5 to 6 meters. Besides, the rate of this foam sprayed on the surface of flammable materials is also low. During large-scale firefighting, the medium expansion foam gets completely destroyed under exposure to intensive heat and convective fluxes of flame, also due to high surface temperature, flammable materials and protective structures. To deal with this problem, the low expansion foam is used since it has a longer jet range and better cooling characteristics, which decrease the rate of medium expansion foam destruction, but does not increase the spread rate. The blizzard installation is not just a simple combination of medium and low expansion foams firefighting techniques. Light foam with good insulating effect but short jet range, when combined with low expansion foam, receives a new impulse. Strange as it may seem, the jet range was the same or almost the same as that of low expansion foam. It's a combination of these two types of fire extinguishing agents in which we discovered a synergetic effect of firefighting.
Видов огнетушащих веществ, мы как бы обнаружили синергетический эффект пожаротушения.
The firefighting financing includes low-cost firefighting equipment and high-speed fire suppression. But there's another important factor, effect of the blizzard installation application.
Если не обладают высокой дальностью подачи,
the long jet range of blizzard installation is a new important factor that allows rescuers and firefighters to operate at a safe distance from the flame front.
Можем работать на некотором расстоянии, на расстоянии фактически безопасном для жизни самого пожарного, для жизни самого спасателя.
SOPOT has developed different types of blizzard combined firefighting installations. After conducting the certification and inter-industry tests, large-scale manufacturing of the installations was launched. I believe that blizzard is one of the best foam installations in the world, since it has already become a competitor on the world market. A very important fact is that it's a Russian-developed system and that it's good. The Emergency Ministry Order Number 151 of March 29, 2004 specifies the procedure for adopting blizzard installation by the Ministry's detachments. Blizzard installations are used as the basis for developing a number of robotic systems that provide for automatic fire protection of the Russian critical explosion and fire hazardous facilities. This is an intelligent system. It can be controlled via wirings, or one can also press a button to switch the installation into fully automatic mode. When operating in this mode, the installation searches for the fire source, is turned on and transmits information to a controlling display. Blizzard combined firefighting installations designed by SOPOT are intended for firefighting large-scale fires, where conventional installations are inefficient or a large number of extinguishers are required. It takes a blizzard installation 30 to 60 seconds to put out a fire on the aircraft side, on sea or river vessels, or an ammunition dump. It is successfully used for extinguishing fires above ground and underground oil storage tanks. The blizzard system proves to be equally effective for extinguishing wildfires when used on the ground and also when integrated into a helicopter water discharge system. When helicopter sortie is efficient for building a foam control line from 2 to 3 kilometers long, up to 6 meters wide and 10 to 12 centimeters thick. Another application of the installations is providing fire protection for tall buildings. The devote installations ensure protection of a tall building from a rooftop heliport down to underground parking. The scientific and technical experience gained by SOPOT in recent years allows it to develop blizzard installations that can be mounted on special vehicles. A special armoured vehicle intended for extinguishing fires posing a high explosion, radiation and toxic hazard was developed jointly with the Gorky Auto plant. Being developed were modular systems easily mounted on fire engines, including special airfield trucks instead of stream nozzles. As of today, being developed and put into serial production are 30 types of blizzard installations for the capacity ranging from 2 to 300 meters per second and a range of foam jet between 20 and 120 meters. These systems include mobile, stationary, manually and remote controlled and even robotic models. The SOPOT manufacturing department is ISO 9001 certified. It employs highly qualified and skilled scientists, designers, engineers and workers, and is capable of fulfilling any orders. The main customers of SOPOT products are firefighting detachments of the Russian Emergency Ministry, Russian railway companies, the 16 largest oil companies and refineries, 7 forestry companies, Mirny, Ufa, Zhukovsky airports, Kaliningrad and Tupi's sea ports, Avtovaz and ZIL motor companies. Blizzard installations are gaining a foothold on the Ukrainian, Belarusian, Estonian, Latvian, Polish and Kazakh markets. The Russian-made firefighting installation, being highly reliable, effective and relatively cheap, has received the priority it deserves. Wouldn't you agree that there is nothing so beautiful and fascinating as a steady and calm view of a fire? And at the same time, there's nothing so horrible and deadly than a fire that has got out of human control. In this case, firefighters and rescuers equipped with SOPOT modern installations will come forward to help you.